50 foods that are super healthy. A wide variety of foods are both nutritious and delicious. You'll enjoy meals that are colorful, versatile, and nutritious for you if you fill your plate with fruits, veggies, quality protein sources, and other whole foods. Here are 50 foods that are really nutritious. The majority of them are surprisingly tasty. 1. Apples. Apples contain a lot of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They're filling and make an excellent snack if you're hungry in between meals. 2. Avocados. Avocados vary from most other fruits in that they are high in healthful fats rather than carbohydrates. They are high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, as well as being creamy and pleasant. 3. Bananas. Bananas are one of the best suppliers of potassium in the world. They're also strong in vitamin B6 and fiber, and they're easy to carry along. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious, but they are also one of the world's most powerful antioxidant sources. 5. Oranges. The vitamin C concentration of oranges is widely recognized. They also include a lot of fiber and antioxidants. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are highly nutritious and low in both carbs and calories. 7. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. 8. Lean beef. When consumed in moderation, lean beef is one of the greatest sources of protein and is high in highly accessible iron. 9. Chicken breasts. Chicken breast is high in protein but low in fat and calories. It's a fantastic provider of a variety of nutrients. If you're not consuming a lot of carbs, you can consume fattier cuts of chicken. 10. Lamb. Lambs are often grass-fed, and their meat has a high omega-3 fatty acid content. 11. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious nut that are high in vitamin E, antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber. Almonds have been shown in studies to help with weight loss and metabolic wellness. 12. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the world's most nutrient-dense foods. In only 1 ounce, you'll get 11 grams of fiber, as well as considerable amounts of magnesium, manganese, calcium, and other minerals. 13. Coconuts. Coconuts are high in fiber and medium-chain triglycerides, which are strong fatty acids, MCTs. 14. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are a delicious snack. They have a larger proportion of monounsaturated fats and a lower proportion of omega-6 fatty acids than most other nuts. 15. Walnuts. Walnuts are a nutrient-dense food that are high in fiber and a variety of vitamins and minerals. 16. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts have a buttery, smooth texture, are high in minerals, are good for thyroid function, and are one of the best sources of the mineral selenium. 17. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular vegetable that is low in calories and carbohydrates yet high in vitamin K. 18. Bell peppers. Red, yellow, and green bell peppers are some of the colors available. They're a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C, plus they're crisp and delicious. 19. Broccoli. Broccoli is a delicious cruciferous vegetable that may be eaten raw or cooked. It's high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and has a reasonable amount of protein when compared to other vegetables. 20. Carrots. Carrots are a common root vegetable in the United States. They're really crunchy and full of minerals like fiber and vitamin K. Carrots also include a lot of carotene antioxidants, which provide a lot of health benefits. 21. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that can be used in a variety of ways. It tastes great on its own and can be used to make a variety of healthy dishes. 22. Cucumber. Cucumbers are one of the most popular veggies on the planet. They're low in carbs and calories, and they're largely made up of water. They do, however, contain trace levels of a variety of minerals, including vitamin K. 23. Garlic. Garlic has a lot of health benefits. It contains bioactive organosulfur compounds with a wide range of biological benefits, including enhanced immunological function. 24. Kale. Kale has grown in popularity as a result of its high fiber content, vitamin C and K, and a variety of other minerals. It gives salads and other meals a pleasant crunch. 25. Onions. Kale has grown in popularity as a result of its high fiber content, vitamin C and K, and a variety of other minerals. It gives salads and other meals a pleasant crunch. 26. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are commonly classified as a vegetable, despite the fact that they are actually a fruit. They're delicious and packed with nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. 27. Salmon. Salmon is an oily fish that is quite popular due to its delicious flavor and rich nutritional value, which includes protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It also contains a little amount of vitamin D. 28. Sardines. Sardines are a tiny, oily fish that is one of the most nutrient-dense diets available. They are high in most nutrients that your body requires, such as calcium and vitamin D. 29. Shellfish. When it comes to nutrient density, shellfish is comparable to organ meats. Clams, mollusks, and oysters are all edible shellfish. 30. Shrimp. Shrimp are crustaceans that are related to crabs and lobsters. It has a low fat and calorie content but a high protein content. It also contains a variety of other nutrients, including selenium and vitamin B12. 31. Trout. Trout are a wonderful freshwater fish that is similar to salmon. 32. Tuna. Tuna is a popular fish in Western countries because of its low fat, low calorie, and high protein content. It's ideal for folks who want to increase their protein intake while keeping their calorie intake modest. You should, however, purchase low mercury varieties. 33. Brown rice. Rice is one of the most widely consumed cereal grains, with more than half of the world's population eating it as a staple diet. Brown rice is high in fiber, vitamin B1, and magnesium, and is a good source of these nutrients. 34. Oats. Oats are quite nutritious. They're high in minerals and fibers called beta-glucans, which have a variety of health benefits, including lowering cholesterol and feeding good bacteria in the stomach. 35. Quinoa. Quinoa has recently gained a lot of popularity among health-conscious people. It's a nutrient-dense grain that's high in fiber and magnesium. It also contains a lot of plant-based protein. 36. Ezekiel Bread. Ezekiel Bread is maybe the healthiest bread available. It is made with organic sprouted whole grains and a variety of legumes. 37. Homemade low-carb breads. Overall, making your own bread might be the best option. Here's a collection of 15 gluten-free, low-carb bread recipes. 38. Green beans. Green beans, often known as string beans, are a type of unripe common bean. In Western countries, they are extremely popular. 39. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are high in fiber, as well as a variety of vitamins and minerals. Because they're dangerous when raw, make sure you cook them thoroughly. 40. Lentils. Another common legume is lentils. They're high in fiber and one of the greatest plant-based protein sources. 41. Peanuts. Peanuts, which are legumes, not actual nuts, are delicious and high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Peanuts have been linked to weight loss in several studies. 42. Cheese. Cheese is extremely nutritious, with a single slice providing roughly the same amount of nutrients as a cup, 240 milliliters, of milk. Many people see it as one of the most delectable dishes. 43. Whole milk. Vitamins, minerals, high-quality animal protein, and healthy fats abound in whole milk. It's also one of the best calcium sources in the diet. 44. Yogurt. Yogurt is prepared by fermenting milk with the addition of living bacteria. Yogurt with living cultures provides many of the same health benefits as milk, but it also contains beneficial probiotic microorganisms. 45. Extra virgin olive oil. One of the healthiest vegetable oils is extra virgin olive oil. It is abundant in antioxidants that have powerful health effects and contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. 46. Coconut oil. Although coconut oil is a saturated fat, it includes MCTs and may offer health benefits comparable to olive oil. Coconut oil, on the other hand, has been demonstrated to raise LDL, bad cholesterol more than other plant-based liquid oils, thus it should be used sparingly. 47. Potatoes. Potatoes are high in potassium and provide a small amount of nearly every nutrient you require, including vitamin C. 48. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the most delectable starchy vegetables available. They're chock full of antioxidants, beta-carotene, vitamin A, and other beneficial nutrients. 49. Apple cider vinegar. When ingested with a meal, apple cider vinegar may help control post-meal blood sugar levels, though further research is needed to confirm this. It's fantastic as a salad dressing or a flavor enhancer in dishes. 50. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is high in magnesium and one of the most potent antioxidant sources. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.